The old model of set and forget doesn't work anymore. What you need is a fully automated AI marketing machine, one that thinks, learns, sells, and supports 24/7. Welcome to Tectonic, where AI meets business automation and everything changes. Stay with me to the end because I'm going to show you something so powerful it could literally replace a full-time staff member in your business and pay for itself 10 times over. Let's launch. The Launchpad gets you moving in minutes. You connect your socials, your Google accounts, your calendar, your payment tools, and you're live. No devs, no weeks of setup. Just go. The dashboard is your command center. It's fully customizable. Choose what matters: pipeline value, call stats, ROI, ad spend, tasks. Build different dashboards for different roles, and get instant clarity across your business. Most businesses lose leads because conversations are scattered. Email here, Facebook there, DMs, WhatsApp, web chat. In Tectonic, every message from every channel shows up in one place. Email, SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook comments, Google chat, even Instagram, all threaded into one feed, connected to the contact record and the AI. Booking chaos ends here. Sync your calendar. Let people book appointments, services, or events. Automate SMS and email reminders. Reschedule in a click. You can even set up rooms, assign staff, or manage equipment. No more missed bookings. No more double-ups. This isn't just a contact list. It's your CRM brain. Import contacts, tag them, segment them, and save smart filters. Broadcast emails and SMS. Manage tasks, record calls, and even build virtual call centers. Whether you have 100 contacts or 100,000 tiers, it doesn't cost more. Unlimited, always. Here's where the money is made. Drag and drop pipelines that reflect your sales process. Use AI to automate every stage, so no lead gets forgotten. Follow-ups happen, quotes are sent, deals close themselves. This is how you scale. Sell anything. Create quotes, invoices, collect deposits, subscriptions, recurring payments, even run full e-commerce and dropshipping without Shopify or extra plugins. You can even connect your bank and send payment links in a conversation. Here's the magic. Automate anything. New lead? Send them a text, trigger an email, assign a task, book a meeting, all automatically. Not techie? Use Workflow AI. Just tell it what you want, and it builds the automation for you. This is your 24/7 robot employee. No breaks, no missed steps. Content creation? Done. Write 30 days of posts in 20 minutes with built-in AI. Schedule across all your channels: Facebook, Insta, Google, LinkedIn. Even auto-generate the captions and the images with a single prompt. Drag and drop email builder, stunning templates, high deliverability. Add countdown timers, trigger links, tags, and conditions. Every click tracked. Automate welcome sequences, follow-ups, upsells, fully integrated with your pipelines. Build funnels, websites, landing pages, quizzes, surveys, blogs, all in one place. Unlimited. Drag and drop. SEO ready. Add payments, bookings, pop-ups, sticky bars, you name it. No code, no limits. Launch your own course, membership, or coaching program. Drip content, issue certificates, connect a full community hub, like your own private Facebook. Sell access, run events, build your tribe. Sync your Google business profile. Automate review requests. Let AI answer every review based on your tone, keywords, or knowledge base. Build review widgets, embed them on your site, and rise in local rankings. Want to know what's working? This is where you see it. Custom dashboards for every metric: ad spend, ROI, call stats, lead sources, attribution, appointment tracking, AI agent performance. It's all here. Now we go next level. Ask AI is your new assistant, powered by GPT and connected to MCP, your own personal AI copilot. Ask it to write emails, build funnels, write replies, troubleshoot, or build workflows. It understands your account, your leads, your CRM. And with Voice AI, it can answer phone calls, reply to SMS, send quotes, book meetings, fully trained on your business. You're looking at your next sales rep, support agent, and executive assistant, all in one. You're not just getting software, you're getting a full digital marketing education. Inside is our masterclass: how to write offers, launch ads, do your own SEO, build lead magnets, funnels, emails, even set up the AI. No theory, no fluff, just results.